Welcome to OpsHub. I'm Ankita, and in this video we will learn how to install the OpsHub application on a Windows machine. The OpsHub application can be installed both on the Windows and Linux machines. On a Windows machine, run the OpsHub exe file as administrator. For the first time, the setup wizard page might take a little while to load on your screen. Here we see the setup wizard page on our screen. Click Next to read the license agreement and acknowledge the same if you wish to proceed further. Here on this page, we need to select the installation path where we want to install the OpsHub application. Let's click Next to navigate to the next step. Here on this page, we get the license information. Initially, we get the 30-day trial license. On this page, 3 types of registration modes are given. The first one is the new registration. The second one is use an existing verification code. The third one is registration after installation mode. For the new users, let's select the new registration mode. Here, the new user has to fill all these mandatory fields. Once these fields are filled, click Next to receive the verification code. On this page, we need to fill the verification code which we will receive on our registered email address. Copy the code and paste it here. In case you don't receive a verification code on your registered email address, please check your spam mailbox. In case your system is unable to reach OpsHub for the verification request because it is behind the firewall, you can also register offline. Here are the steps for the offline registration given in our product documentation, using which you can register your OpsHub application. Next comes the installation selection page. Here, we need to select the database as per our requirement. As of now, OpsHub supports the following databases: HSQL, MS SQL Server, MySQL Server, Oracle, and Postgres. HSQL is recommended for non-production environments. We can also see the Advanced Configuration option. If we select for Advanced Configuration option, it will include the custom configuration for service, HTTP, HTTPS, access mode, database, and data encryption configuration. On this page, we need to fill these details, that is, database host name, database port number, database username, database user password, followed by the connector jar. To source your connector jar, you can click the below link as shown in the video. Once these details are filled, let's navigate to the advanced steps. of the installation page. Here on this page, we need to fill in all these details. The first one is the connector mode configuration. Here, we can select the protocol to be followed for connection between client and server. Either we can choose HTTP or HTTPS. Let's choose HTTP. The next comes the OpsHub database custom configuration. If you select check this if you are creating databases schemas manually, you can give name as per your preference. Otherwise, OpsHub and ReportsDB will be the default names taken automatically. You can click install OpsHub server as a service. There is also a data encryption configuration option. Click next. As you can see, the installation has begun. The overall installation is in progress. This will take 5-10 minutes to install. Once the OpsHub application is installed, you can choose to create the shortcut of the application. If the installation fails due to the permission errors, ensure that the installation folder is empty or delete any folders created by OpsHub. With this, we come to the end of the installation steps of OpsHub application on Windows machine. Thanks for watching the video.